So this is our third problem. Okay, the cylinders in the figure shown are piled in a rectangular ditch as shown. So neglecting friction, radius of A, B, and C are given to be 4, 6, and 5 respectively. So meron tayong okay, loads, no? Or in other words, this is the weight of each cylinders. Okay, so we have 20 Newton na cylinder, that's cylinder C. We have 40 Newton na cylinder B, and we have 10 Newton cylinder A. So bali ang question pala nito is that we will find the reaction. Okay? Reaction or internal reaction at AB. Okay, AB. So eto dito. And also we will be calculating the reaction. Okay? Reaction at between cylinder B and the wall. Okay, B and the wall. So yan yung tanong dito. So hindi ko nasulat, no. So mean to say this part here. So uh the first step to solve this type of problem, okay, especially if eto yung setup parang nagpatong-patong na patong-patong na circles. So kukunin natin first yung mga angles. So angles na kukunin natin. But before that, let's try to locate muna the reactions, no. So at this wall, this point, so gawin natin yan reaction. May reaction dyan, or point 1 natin. Point 1 ito. So that would become reaction 1. So normal lang kasi hindi naman sinabi din ay naka-indicate din dito that is neglecting friction. So normal lang. So we will consider this as smooth surface. So aside from that, we also have reactions here, tama ba? So we will call this reaction 2. Okay? Then this one, okay, merong reaction yan. Ay ito pala. Okay, unahin natin to. So meron ding meron ding reactions dito. Okay, reaction din R3. And also this one. Meron ding reaction dyan. Let's call this R4. And then also in between. Okay, between C and B, may reaction din yan. So let's call that point 0.5. Okay, point 0.5. And then this one also, no? Point 0.6 yung pinapahanap. Okay, point 0.6 yan. So, pero, okay, again, the first step is to locate muna or identify muna yung mga important na dimensions and important angles. So, if I try to, by the way, this one, ano yung radius ng C? Radius ng C is ABC man kasi that's 4. This is for A, this is for B, this is for A. So, this is 5, correct? So, this is 5. Okay, yan. Then, ito, point B, cylinder B, sorry. This is, ano man? This is 6, correct? Okay? And A, this is what? This is 4. Yan yung mga radius, okay? Or radii ng mga cylinders. Okay? Kung ipo-project natin, okay, this whole diameter of the cylinder at kung rectangular ditch pala. So that is 18, no? 18 yung length nito. Dito, from here. So if this is 5, okay, this is 5. So i-project natin, ha? Project natin. Pupunta dito, then this one. We want this length, we want this length. So this length is, okay, 18 minus 19.5, then subtract 6. Yun, tama ba? So therefore, that is 18 minus 5 minus 6. So that is about 11, 18, that is 7, correct? This now is 7. Kani ito. That length is 7. So we need this one, we need that one, okay? Then also, this one, okay, by the way, this one, ito. Kung atin yang i-project papunta dito, gagawa tayo ng right triangle, tama? Having length here 7. Ito, ano yung length nito? Ito. So this one is 5, tama? From here to here, that is radius, okay, of this cylinder C. That's 5. From here to here, that is 6, no? So that is 5 plus 6, that's 11. Okay, ito, yung total length nito is 11. Okay? So we've now created a triangle wherein a right triangle, this is 7 and this is 11. Okay? Kasi mamaya kukunin natin yung angle dito. Let's call that angle B. And dito, let's call this angle theta. Okay? So, sorry no kung medyo noisy yung surrounding ko kasi meron nagbubulot dito ba. So, merong tawag nito? Sound system or yung contest kumbaga. Okay, yun. So, this is angle and also this one, ito. Kukunin natin yung length ito. Ang length ito papuntang A to B, that is This is 4, okay? This is the radius, and this is also 6. So, kaya 4 plus 6, that is 10. Ito, from here to here, that is 10 ang length. Now, this one, ano yung length ito? Ito. Ano yung length niyan? Okay? If this is 18, total ng length ito, so this is 4, 18 minus 4, that is 14, minus 6, okay? 14 minus 6, that is 8. Okay, ito, 8 yan. Kuha ba? Ito, 8 yan. Okay, ito. So, we also need that, what? The triangle, the right triangle, because we will also be needing this angle here. Okay, let's call that alpha, and this angle here. Okay, let's call that gamma, or y, gamma. Yan. Okay, yan. So, we'll rewrite that triangle, no? Or we redraw the triangle. So this is 8, this is 10, correct? Okay. And this is your alpha, this is your gamma. So 90, 90 ito. Ito your beta, and this is your angle theta. So let's try it first to get the angle theta. Okay, using cosine, no? Cosine angle theta equal to 7, that is your adjacent side, over 11. Okay, pakikuha na lang ng calculator nyo. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we have here shift cos, that is our cos of 7 over 11. Okay, so that is equal to 50.479. Okay, 479. Up to 3 decimal places para accurate, no? 50.479 degree. Okay, yan yung angle na. Angle theta. So, if angle theta is 50.479, ano yung angle ni beta? So, 'di ba? Ito 90, ito lahat ng interior angles ito 180. Kaya malamang yung beta at angle theta should be equal, yung sum nila is 90. Kaya to get beta, that is just basically 90 minus yung angle theta, which is 50.479. Correct ba? Okay? So, therefore, your beta now will become what? 90 minus your answer. Okay? 39.521. Okay? 39.521 angle. So, yan yung beta. Now, for your alpha, okay? So, cosine, no? Cosine. Cosine din. Cosine alpha is equals to, ano yung adjacent? 8, then you have 10. So, therefore, your alpha would be shift cos. Shift cos. Okay, maging inverse yan. 8 over 10. Okay. So that is 36.86 or 87 na lang. 87. 36.87 degree. Okay, tama ba? Okay. So therefore, yung gamma natin, okay, yung gamma natin parang y, no? Yung y na lang. 90 minus your alpha, which is 36.87. So that is about 90 minus the answer, that is 53.13. Okay, 53.13 degree. So yun yung mga angle na kakailanganin natin. Okay? So again, kukunin muna natin yung reaction or internal reaction AB dito. So that is R6. So first step, okay? Okay, let's try to draw muna, no? Let's try to draw muna the cylinder B kasi nandun yung reaction, no? Yung cylinder A ang kukunin natin or gagamitin natin. By the way, dapat alam natin kung ano yung gagamitin na fluid body diagram or saan tayo aatake. So for if ever yung A ang ating aatikihin, okay? As you can see, dalawa nakatouch siya sa dalawang sides of the wall or point of the wall. So malamang dalawa ding yung unknowns na kailangan natin. So, complicated yan. If yung B, okay, try natin yung B. Okay. Cylinder B. So, we have here reaction 4. Then, we have here your weight of the cylinder. And aside from that, meron din tayong reaction dito. Tama ba? Okay, meron tayong reaction dyan. And we also have reaction here, yung natin. Tama ba? So, try natin yan i-project, no? Ayan. So, later, gawin natin yung concurrent kasi it will intersect at a single point. Okay? So, marami yung tawag nito. Marami yung kakailanganin din natin to solve for R6. No? Meron tayong R4, need natin yan. R5, need din natin yan. Then, yung natin, yung R6 at saka, okay, given naman, 40 Newton. So, it will require 2 pa rin. Okay? And ka-third yung reaction sa 6 or C. Yes, RC. RS. Pero, yung, as you can see, yung C, isang touch lang, oh. Tapos, meron din dito yung reaction 5. Tsaka, ito, 20. So, dalawa. Mas lesser. Kasi ito, tatlo, you need eh. Or unknown. Okay? So, ang una nating isa-solve is yung reaction at 5 or internal reaction 5 using cylinder C. Okay? Redraw natin nga. Cylinder C. So, mangyari, this is 20. Okay? This is 20. Then, this is R1. Okay? And this is your reaction. Okay? Ito yung reaction dito. Reaction 5. Okay? So, try natin i-project yung line of action yan. So, it will intersect at a single point. So, pwede natin gawin on the next slide, gawin natin yung, dito na lang. Gawin natin yung simpler na free body diagram. 20. So, we have here your R1. And, of course, okay, ito. Your R5 na need natin. Pwede din natin gawin is yung R1, i-translate natin, no? Okay, so this is your R5. Okay, R5. So, yung R1 na dito, supposedly, ito, i-translate natin papunta dito. Okay, pwede din yan. Okay, so magiging R1 ito. Okay, so we have here 20. Parang magkakaroon tayo ng triangle na ganito. So, this is 20, this is R1, and this is R5. So, what we just need is the R5 lang. R5 lang need natin. Knowing that, alam natin yung angle dito. So, by the way, this is your angle, no? That is beta. So, beta is equal to what? Okay, eto, 39.521. So, this one is 39.521. Correct ba? Okay, correct yan. So, we will be solving the R5 lang. Okay, because we will be needing that in our cylinder B. Okay, cylinder B. So, cylinder B. Now, sige, kukunin natin yung R5. Dito na lang sa next slide, no? So, R5, okay, redraw ko lang ulit. So, refer lang tayo dun. So, R5, that is, okay, yung hypotenuse yan, no? Tama ba? Hypotenuse na. Hypotenuse yan. So, we have here 20 as your, ano ba? Adjacent side. Okay, so that will become what? Okay, cosine, no? Cosine 39.54, 39.521 pala. 521 degree equal to what? What is your adjacent side? That is 20. That is given. And then your R5. Yan yung ano na kukunin natin. Okay? So we have R5. Then R5 is equal to what? Okay? Calculator na lang, no? So we have 20 over cosine 39.521. So that is about 25.93. Okay? 25.93 newtons. So, yan yung reaction, internal reaction sa B at saka C, in between B and C. Okay, again, we'll be needing that one for here, dito. That's our R5, no? So, gawin natin yung ginawa natin dito. So, we will try to make it concurrent. So, we have 40, okay? Meron din tayong R6, okay? R6, yung unknown. This is 40. Ito, yung R4, and we also have our R5 here. Okay, R5. So, i-redraw lang natin dun sa kabilang slide, no? So, we have here at cylinder B, okay? So, i-draw natin, we have here yung, okay, yung yung R6 na need natin, R6, and then we have here 40, yung weight ng cylinder B, then we have here R5, which is equivalent to ilan gani yun? 25.93. Okay, and then we have R4. R4 going in this direction. Okay, so yan. So what we can do is that since R4 is a horizontal component, that's a need natin use R6, so it would be simpler to just do the summation of the vertical component or Y. So equal to 0, no? Tama, going up, positive. Okay, so yung R6, assumption natin is papuntang going down, so magiging negative yan, R6. Okay, R6, then we want the vertical component of that. So yung vertical component ng R6 would be, okay, this one, papunta dito. And then yung 25.93, meron din yung vertical component, papunta din sa ilalim. So, as you can see, kung magne-negative yan lahat, malamang negative yung value na makukuha natin. So, mali pala yung assumption ng R6 natin. Dapat din pala, that is going up, no? So, anyway, try na natin i-solve, no? Based on our assumption. Okay, anyway, the numerical value, the same lang pa rin. Okay? So, negative R6. So, by the way, ano yung angle na gagamitin natin dito? Okay, dito man yan, no? Diba, ito yan, yung R6. Okay, dito yan dito yung line of action niya. And then, we have here this one, this triangle. Ano yung angle dito? Okay, yun yung angle din dito. Correct? Yan yung angle dito. What is that angle? That is angle, okay, angle Y or uh, gamma. Okay, that is equivalent to 53.13. 53.13 degree. Okay, we will be needing that one. So, okay, that is R6, and that is R6 cosine, no? Cosine of 53.13 degrees. Okay? Minus, ito din, yung 25.23, 25.93. Pero ano yung angle din dito? Okay, we will be needing that one, angle dyan. Ano yung angle dyan? So, balik tayo dito. Okay, kung angle dyan, ito yun, no? Angle, itong angle na to. So, that is just equivalent to your angle beta. Kuha ba? That is just equivalent to your angle beta. Okay, so that will become what? 39.521. Okay, this is, so ito, 39.521. So, yan. So, that is cosine pa rin, no? Cosine 39.521 minus 40 equal to 0. So, therefore, yung R6 natin, again, magiging negative yan kasi negative, yeah, pag i-solve natin yan, mag-negative yan. So, meaning say, mali yung naging assumption natin. Dapat pataas. Okay? So, pwede natin gawin. I-correct natin dito. Dito pa lang. Pwede din. Okay, papunta dito. Okay, going up na siya. Okay, so magiging positive na ito. Pwede lang din. Okay? So that we can just transpose this to other side. Ito din, transpose to other side. Then we have here, okay, solve na natin, no? Using calculator. So, transpose ko na yan sa kabilang side. So, 25.93 cosine 39.521. Okay? Yung negative magiging positive din, 40. Then dividing by cosine 53.13. Okay? That's it. That is 100. Okay? Yung R6 pala is 100 Newton. Or reaction at 0.6. Dito nga point. Okay, that is our first answer for that first problem. So reaction at or internal reaction at AB or interface or interface of A and B cylinder. Now the next is reaction between B and the wall. Okay, ito yung R4. It is R4. So we can just simply use the same, the same free body diagram. In only that yung R6 natin papunta na sa itaas. Okay, dito na lang natin lagay. Okay, anyway, that's the same pa rin. Okay, this is your R6. So we will be using, okay, so at cylinder P. So ito, summation of forces. Okay, summation of forces y equal to 0 going up positive. So we will be needing the R4. Okay, ito yung requirement na naman natin, R4. So we will be using the same free body diagram lang, no, to solve for R4. Okay, green na lang. Okay, using summation of forces along x equal to 0 going to the right positive. Yung R4 going to the left, so kaya magiging negative yan. And then yung R6 meron yang horizontal component pa rin. Ito dito. Okay, that's the horizontal component, or pwede din ito. Okay, anyway, yung angle dito at angle dyan, same lang. Okay, I don't know, ito pala, ito yung same. Okay, or that is sine, no? Yung angle dito, okay, that's 53. Yung angle dito, that's the same. Okay, kaya pwede natin gamitin is yung sine 53.13. Kung ano yung dito cosine minus, so sine automatic. So R4, yan kunin natin minus going to the right pala yung R6, so kaya positive. R6 is 100 newtons times sine. Okay, sine 53.13. And then, aside from that, we also have this 25.93. Meron din tayong horizontal component yan. Going to the right pa rin. Positive yan. Okay, 25.93. Then, what's the angle? The sine 39.521. Okay, sine 39.521. 5 to 1. So, wala na other horizontal component, equate na natin si 0. So, R4 transpose to other side, magiging positive R4. So, unahin ko na lang. Okay? So, we have here 100 sine 53.13. Okay? Plus 25.93. Okay, sorry, 93. Then we have sine 39.521. Okay? So, that's it. Yung press equal, that's 96.5. So therefore, yung reaction pala natin sa between wall and cylinder B, that is 96.5 newtons. Okay? So I have nakuha, no? That is your answer for letter B. Okay, that's the letter B. This one is for your letter A. Okay, that's it for this problem. So in this, we'll be solving two more problems na lang, no? Okay? So thank you again for listening and keep safe.